Hey guys, welcome to my new craft channel. Today I'm gonna show you a few 26 of my die cut collection. I have a couple hundred of them and I figured I'm just gonna make a couple videos, a few videos, and show you 25-30 in each video and the results. I keep them in a tray like this and it all has names in it, and I put them in a little CD holder. One side I'm gonna put the die cut and the other side the result. Today I'm gonna show you what these come out. First up I have this Christmas one. It is Santa and his friends. We get some reindeer and these, not sure what this is supposed to be, but it comes with it. Some reindeer and a little bow, and we have a couple of bows. Reindeer and bows. So I just put them in one side and I put the die cut on the other side so I can see the result. Next up we have some teacups. Gives me like a Alice in Wonderland vibe. With these we have the results here. I think these are very cute. I have this Christmas set. It has a gingerbread, 2 ornaments, candle, a bell, a Christmas tree, snowman, and a candy cane. I think they came out very nice. Next up, we have a cross set. This is going into the Christian collection. We got 3 crosses. Yes, you can take them out, but I just haven't got to, so I'll still have to take them apart. But I wanted to show you the results. They're very beautiful butterfly. This came out from it. These were a little bit harder to get out, so they kind of got stuck in it. So if you see that, it's okay. It will eventually fall out once I use it more often. Got some butterflies. From this butterfly, I got this. And from this one, there's actually 2 in it. So there is the inside part and there's also an outside part. I have these 3 butterflies. I think these are very, very pretty. Got a lot of details, and I just use paper that I'm not going to use very often, and this is just to show me what the outcome is. But you can just do it on white paper and then color it. A bird cage. This one is pretty big. I think it's very large. It's about 3 inches, I think. It's about 3 inches, and I really like that it has a little holder, so you can actually make it into like a tag. I have another cage. This one is smaller and slightly different. This one comes with 2 birds. Figure I just take one out. And this is actually, you can make a cage box with it. So there's the bottom. And this one shows where you can bend it. I'm not gonna bend it now, but it shows you where you can bend it and it will come out looking like an actual 3D cage. And you can put something on the inside. We have these gorgeous frame. This one is 5 inches and I think it came out really very nice. It has some texture in it. And again, you can color as you like. And you can put something nice on the inside. So I think this one is really good. Here we have a corner like this. Yes, came out like this because it's backwards. So if you like, you can make 4 of these and just put it up on the side of your page as you like. I really like decorating with these ones. This is a floral die cut that you can use on the edge of your paper, or maybe you can put it on the bottom and make it look like a little garden in front of a house. I think there's so much things that you could do with this. It looks very simple, but there's some great ideas that you can use this for. And you can continue cutting it so it can be a long line of die cuts. Here I have another edge. It's slightly smaller and a different design, and it's not as long. And again, you can use this on 4 corners. You get some kitties. This I haven't taken it apart. I'm waiting for a tool. I ordered a tool that will cut through these metals, because a lot of time when you bend it, you can actually damage the die cut itself. So I'm just waiting for that tool. This comes 2 kitties, and they both have little bow ties. Very adorable. Alright, so here we have some creatures. These very funny looking gang friends. There's a monkey, I think this is a bear, and a bunny. 3 amigos. And again, I'm just waiting for that tool to cut them apart without damaging it. I think this is really cute for like kids. Do something for kids. This one comes in 2, but I just cut up 1. So they're very similar outcomes. It's like a little angel sitting on the moon, and there is a star with it there. Spaceships. 2 little spaceships. They're pretty small, 2 inches long. I think it's very cute. I think these are great for like birthday parties, if you want to make like a alien themed birthday party. This one is gorgeous. You have a carousel. This one I don't think I cut hard enough. The middle ones didn't go through all the way because I cut multiple items at the same time. So I'll have to redo this one. But if you're just cutting one die at a time, that it should cut through. But for me, this one, it didn't really make it. But it still looks decent for just a sample. It has little stars on the bottom and some texture on top. Next up, we have this ruler for kids. And this is really cute. There's an ABC, a bear, a giraffe, and an elephant. And then you have a little ruler. The last one I have for this video is this baby stroller, and I think it came out very nice. It has a lot of detail in it, and it's just special. I think the wheels are very cute. This came out very nicely, I think. So that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my little collection of die cuts. There's plenty more coming. And if you liked it, let me know which one was your favorite. I'll be making the second video with different die cuts very soon. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.